Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have MARSHALL Middleton speaker and I'm going to tell you all the gestures you have to know. As you can see here we have a button. If we click this button, we can pause and unpause our music. Now, as you can see with this button, which is a joystick for sure, we can increase and decrease our volume level. Here, as you can see, we have a slider for volume, and as you can see, if I click this for up, we are increasing our volume level, and if I go to down, we are decreasing. If we go to the right, to this side, we can switch songs to the next songs, and if I go to the left, we can switch to the previous songs. Apart from that, we have bass and treble. With this we can increase and decrease our bass level. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.